I'm sorry, Dad.
I'll tell her.
I never got to tell him.
If your dad were here, he would tell you to...
Let me show you.
Get back! Uh-oh! Little more than I'd bargained for. If I were you...
How dare you? Everything was going perfectly. And now, you do this!
Eris, I don't understand.
Don't play coy with me. Maybe you can fool these people, but I know who you are. You're a selfish, unprincipled liar.
Wait a minute. I didn't lie. I came back. That's why you're here. This was all part of your test. I told the truth. And wasn't there something about being bound for all eternity?
He did it!
He's riding the sun.
Not very well. Everybody out of the way! Where's the danger? Who blew their shell?
Well, well, well. This has got to be a little embarrassing for you, Eris.
Don't push your luck, Sinbad. You're cute, but not that cute. And lucky for you, I've got places to go. Things to destroy. Stuff to steal.
A chief protects his own.
You know, for what it's worth, I think the council believes you now.
You think? King Dimas. Whoa, hey. How much you got on you?
I offer you the gratitude of the 12 cities and the apology of a king.
No, really, how much?
Sinbad.
Well, it takes more than a three-headed monster to keep me away from my best bud.
Come on, this is gonna be a heck of a party. Everyone's gonna want to hear about the voyage.
Fair winds, calm seas. Nothing much to tell.
What's the matter? No fun if you're actually invited?
No, it's just, there's a hammock in Fiji with my name on it.
Good sailing, Sinbad.
Get a haircut. You're gonna be king someday.
I love you too!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And a half. And 8, 9.
Douglas! Dad, you saved him!
Well, a boy's gotta have a pet. Turns out, I'm a cat person.